So now, look at how to use the keyboard should your mouse not be good enough on the day of your examination. So this is your keyboard now. You have the letters. So when you look at it and your answer is A, just press letter A. When it is B, you press this. You press B like this. When it is C, this is C. And when the answer is D, this is D. When you, after choosing the particular one, then you press N for next question. N for next question. Then if you want to go back to the ones you may have skipped for some reasons, then press R. Did you get that now? So it goes back to the previous question. When you may have finished attempting the questions, I pray you just press only the correct answers. Then S for submit. I hope you can understand that now. And with this, I pray that your fingers should always press the correct answer, not the wrong ones. That is my prayer for you, because I repeat, your success is my success. So let your fingers press the correct answers. Even when the answer is, your mind is telling that the answer is D, but the correct one is C. The Spirit of the Almighty will direct you to press C. That's my prayer for you. I want to hear your amen.